Alright guys, I've got you sitting right in the cab with me, and we're going to ride across our new trail we've worked so hard to cut in. I hope you enjoy the video today. We've got a little bit of firewood to cut, but we're going to enjoy this sunshine while it's out. And definitely hope this works out for you as far as the first person view, because like I said, you're riding a cab with me. Let's get on with the video. Beautiful outside today. Here we go, our first trip down this trail. Well, that's going to be so much fun. If we get this wore in a little bit, we'll get some air right there. What do you think, guys? Think we ought to go up the new creek crossing? Double around, we're going to try it. All right, here we go. Better lock her in. You know I just watched this thing. That wasn't too bad. Up the pond dam. You guys want to ride up the pond dam? Yeah. Rolling up on hole number 9 on the disc golf course here, guys. By golly, that's going to make some firewood, guys. We'll load some rocks here. It is nice out today. More than enough. You guys know if we get caught out here riding around, I'm telling Granny Jillian's made me do it. I think that'll work. Number 18 on the disc golf course here. You are looking right down through the fairway of it. And I'll tell you what, this is one of those make or break shots. If you can drive that 350 feet down there to make that turn at the left, you can get right to the hole. This hole is 480 feet long. It is a par 5. However, I've seen a lot of games lost right here on this line. Everybody wants to throw down through there, and they bounce off one of those trees and things gets exciting. Let's roll down through here. Down here before you're starting to turn to the left. That's perfect. I'm telling you, I know there's something else we could be doing today. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Hole out, and then start all the way down to number 1, down at the end of the driveway again. Go right back around. 8,700 feet of fairway is what we've cut in back here. It's a long course. Sometimes I am better off doing what I'm told. Yeah. Not bad. What a lovely day outside it is. We'll go ahead and grab the trailer and just pick that stuff up and bring it right up to the woodshed. That's going to be a good load of wood. By golly, we built us another big brush pile down there too. Pretty good size already. Like I said, guys, we've done a lot of work back here this year. This has been very productive winter. Get all this stuff done, meet all of you guys, and make these videos for you. I've had a lot of fun. Getting ready to turn the corner and start heading to springtime, and it's going to be beautiful back here. See if we can get this trailer in there without it getting too bad for us. Alright guys, I'm going to get the rest of this firewood busted up, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's most certainly been a beautiful day out here today, and it's been a nice journey. So, like I said, I'm going to finish getting this stuff loaded up and get it up to the woodshed, and that way I don't get in trouble today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.